Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the booster of Yell Kong 360 GB. Yeah. Definitely a smaller one, but definitely really gonna be fun. I wish they would have done a recolor for this. But at least I can get this one easier now. Cause another one I do like a lot. Okay. Oh, let's do this. Okay, here we go. There he is. QR code is basically the same way as the other. Yeah. But definitely gonna be fun to use. To have him in my collection. Get another Hasbro release. At least they should have done a recolor for this. That's what they should have done, a recolor. Okay. There's a 360. And the gear ball. And there it is. Voila. Exact same day. Just two of them. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.